it's not my fault.
They added a thank you card to it, and there is a discount code at the back. Is written thank you 100FF. There are some hairbands that came with it, which I'm going to share with you guys later. Then there is a comb that came with it. Here, elastic band, then a wig cap. So those are the things that came with this wig. Came in this cute bag. So this is the bag. This is the wig. So the wig is 14 inches and the density is 160. It's kinky straight. This is it. You guys can see very well. It's written here. You see the band on it. This is the band attached to the weave, and this is it. 14 inches, kinky straight, and it came with some combs that you'll be able to adjust it, pin these combs on your head. And also it came, I like this one because there is an extra adjustable strap, because it's not all that come with an adjustable strap like this. And this one as well, see, just with this strap to hold it firmly. And this is the inside of the wig. Okay, I like it so much with this adjustable strap and this band to hold it firmly. Hairband wigs, they are very easy to install. That's one thing I like about them. You don't need to stress yourself. I always say that all the time. To me, every woman needs an hairband wig among your wigs, because this is just a kind of wig you just tap on and you go. Okay, they are very helpful. To me, every woman needs one wig like this, and hairband wig, because they are very easy. This is just for lazy, if on a lazy day is very helpful, very helpful. And the texture of the wig of the hair is so good. No shedding, little smell but not bad smell. Okay, so these hairband wigs, I have done so many. I just felt there are so many ways you can style this hairband wigs. If you like, you can just take your hair backward and you wear this. So many videos I've done about hairband wigs. I always display how you can install these wigs, because to me they are life-saving. Like I said, I think every woman, if you wear wigs, I think everyone needs a hairband wig. So I just want to style this hair in a different way from the ones I have styled before, because I have done so many styles with this hairband wig, and I believe you can still style this in another form that it will look different. Okay, so I just want to do that, share that with you guys today. So this is my hair. I'm just going to take this off first. So I'll use gel on my hair.
Normally I don't use much gel like this, but today I feel like using much gel.
So I'm going to wear the hairband wig.
You stole your piece, put it on me, but baby it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back, baby it's you.
Now it's well secured, and I like this one. This band is not too long. Some are really long, too long. This one is just perfect. Put it back of my ears like this.
You could say whatever and I would never hear. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you're so dirty.
So you see this with the hairband, you can just leave it like this. I like the fact that this hair is really short. All this while I've been doing long. Let me zoom it. Oh, I should go back. You see the length? This one is really short. So this time around, I want to make this different in a different way. Let me just straighten the hair. To my men are fine. So you see, you can just pack it this way, and you see that it's very easy. Even with this tie, you can just pack your hair. Even if when you want to do sports, you can just pack it like this, and that is it. Okay.
Baby, it's you, it's you, it's you, it's you, walk out that door, no, yeah.
So you see, you can just pack it like this. And you can put the hairband. Let me put this hairband. I want to make it shorter. So what I'll do, I'll tuck in this inside this band. I'm going to take pin. I'll use bobby pins too. Now I'll use bobby pin just to hold it down. So you can just pack it this way, or you can take this out as well and make a bun like this. So guys, that is it for this hair tutorial. This hairband, you see, you can style it in various ways that you want to style this hair. You can see this style. You don't know that it's even hairband wig. I'm going to leave the link to this wig on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out, and some other wigs they have on their website. So if you're interested, don't hesitate to check that out. Like I said, a hairband wig is a must for every woman because it is very, very easy just for you to snatch on, and that is it. You're good to go. You see that it's not difficult, and this hair, the texture is kinky and the hair is so good, and I like that it's short length, is not long. I used to do long ones, but this one is 14 inches. I just like the length. The length is so perfect. So that is it, guys. Please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, don't hesitate to subscribe. Hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon so that you don't miss videos like this from me. So guys, I will see you guys in my next one, and please, if you like this video, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button. I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.